This Dexnor Moto Razr 2024 case wraps the folding phone in a sturdy, dual-layer shell that feels purpose-built for the tall 6.9-inch design. The combination of hard polycarbonate and shock-absorbing bumper material gives the handset reassuring drop protection without feeling excessively bulky in the hand or pocket. Integrated front coverage, including a responsive screen layer and raised edges, helps keep the large inner display and camera safer from scratches when the phone is folded or face down. Dual built-in kickstands that disappear into the back let you prop the Razr securely in portrait or landscape, which is especially handy for long videos or hands-free calls. A hinged spine cover moves smoothly with each open and close, shielding the vulnerable folding mechanism from grit, scuffs, and everyday bumps. Despite the rugged build, the textured sides maintain a confident grip, and the case still works well with wireless and reverse charging, so you rarely need to take it off.